Hey my gems, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today, y'all, I'm tired of these dreads. Like, it's time for them to come out. I done had these in, over a month now. Over a month. So, I'm sick of them. I could still get away with wearing them, but at this point, I'm gonna just show you guys how easy it is that I take down my dress. That's why I got you guys sitting up so high today. Let me actually move my chair down some. All right, there we y'all can really see the top of my head. Listen, whenever I can get this out of the ponytail. But yeah, I'm sick of them. I had them in over a month. It's time for a change, and I just want to come and show you guys how I take these out. I had these things up in the ponytail so long, they just bent up now. But I can still, get away with wearing them if I wanted to, because now they just look like dreads for real, and that ain't cute. But whatever. So I'm gonna pull y'all in. All right, so what I do is I just unravel the top of the dread, like get my finger through it like that, like separate the dread from the hair that I wrapped around, and then my hair is right here. So this is my hair, and all I do is take my scissors and cut it right here, whole dread off, and then pull that extra piece out. But with my hair, I did the rubber band method, so my hair is actually, don't mind, it's dirty, y'all. It's actually, I'm looking in the mirror, it's actually in the ponytail right here. So when I take all of these out, I will have a whole bunch of little ponytails everywhere. I'm gonna show y'all again. Gotta move that out the way. Thing look crazy. All right, so I'm gonna do it with the blonde so y'all can probably get a better idea. So I just twist the opposite way of the way I twisted the hair around, stick my finger through. Y'all see that? The separation there? And you see my hair is right here. So all I do is go in and I pull my hair out. Bam. Just like that. Hold those two separate so I don't cut my hair. And then cut right here. Make sure you move your hair out of the way, because if you cut your hair, don't say Gemini told you how to take these out. And then I just pull that extra piece of hair out and bam, y'all see that? I had these in over a month. Y'all see all that growth? Month, y'all. One whole month and some change. So what I do, what I'm gonna do is continue to take some more of these out, and then I'll come back to y'all when I probably got all of this side out. All right, guys, so fun fact. One, I do my hair by myself. Maybe I should record myself doing my hair. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see what it is that I do next. It's probably going to be some box plaits. More than likely, it's going to be box plaits. But fun fact, I do all my hair myself. So anytime you guys If you go back and look at my old videos, any hairstyle that I have, I did it myself. Besides my shortcut, I used to go get that one done. But then it got to a point where I started doing it myself as well. So, yeah, I do my hair myself. And y'all, and I think I'm gonna start recording myself while I do my hair. Because I know people are interested in a lot of hair videos. So, for my next hairstyle, which I think is gonna be box plaits. Not sure yet, but 9 times out of 10, that's what it's gonna be. I'll record it for you guys. Like, I'll do the majority of my head and then I'll come back when I'm like at the top. Because I always start, no, I'm lying. I always start at the top of my head first. I don't know, I just find it easier to start at the top of my head first. So I start at the top of my head first because that's where I can see. So I start here or here, either side. But I always start at the top first. And then I work my way to the back because that's the part where I gotta get the mirror and all of that, make sure my part is straight. Like, I parted my hair myself this time. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, I don't know how straight those parts is back there, but I know it's parted, and yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video, this easy how to take out faux locks. Because I see a lot of people only showing you how to take out the butterfly locks, but what about the regular ones? Like, what about the ones that look like actual dreads? Like, do I have to unravel this whole thing? Like, no. Just one more time for the road. Separate it at the base. I'm looking in my mirror, y'all. Pull your hair out. My hair, weave. My hair, weave. Oh, backwards, y'all. Weave my hair, weave my hair. And then just take your scissors. Make sure you cut in the weave. You would hate to be cutting your own hair. And pull this piece out. And it's just that simple. Just that simple. It's me right here. All me. And y'all, guess what? I'm natural. Like, I've been natural now for a year. This is November. No. I started my natural journey July of 2019. So it's been a year, August, September, October, November, a year and 4 months that I've actually been natural. But if y'all want to hear about the hair journey, also let me know down in the comments and I'll get that video out to y'all. But until next time, peace out.